So you're curious about Astound's internet or its other brands, RCN, Wave, or Grande? I'm Riley with Switchful, and let's talk about it. We rank each internet service provider on value, performance, equipment and installation, and customer experience. Astound has award-winning speed and service, as well as top-notch customer service and shockingly low intro pricing. But about after a year of service, you can expect to see those prices skyrocket. Astound offers 3 plans: no data caps and super cheap DSL, cable, and fiber internet. Nearly all of Astound's internet plans are under $50 per month for the first year. You also don't have to sign any sort of contract, and there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. Astound is very fast. With most ISPs, you won't see the advertised speeds, because speeds fluctuate based on numerous conditions. With Astound, the advertised speed is the average customers will see. So your speeds will vary depending on various factors like the equipment you're using, the time of day, etc. If you see persistent speed issues, Astound encourages customers to reach out and solve those issues. Now let's talk about those insane price hikes. After 1 year of service, some of the lower tier plans can see a price increase of up to 10 times the initial price. What? That's much higher than the national average. Cost of installation is average, but equipment can cost around $25 to $35 a month. Now, not all is lost when it comes to saving money with Astound. To save money, consider using Astound's free self-setup option. Now, if you're not too tech savvy, no need to fear. Astound offers an online guide and videos to help. Astound has amazing customer service. If one of their technicians is late to your appointment, Astound will pay you $20 for the inconvenience. If you're making the switch to Astound, you'll likely qualify for incentives like gift cards, additional free months of service, or even free months of a streaming service included for a time period. If you happen to want to cancel your Astound plan, there are no fees when canceling. I mean, we can see why Astound is a fan favorite. All right, I hope this video has been able to help you in your internet search. We gave Astound a rating of 4.1 stars. So, are you gonna go with Astound? Why or why not? Let us know in the comments below. For more information on Astound internet service, check out our article at switchful.com. We'll see you next time.